just a big one.
Hey, welcome to the channel, or back to the channel, Life's an Adventure. Last time we were out here in Vedder River, we were doing quite the walk. It was a long walk, it was a nice walk, but we've discovered that there was 3 parking lots that we weren't aware of before. Well, we're in parking lot number 3. We decided to come in a different avenue, different way.
4 kilometers.
It's about 4, we went 4 kilometers? Yeah. So last time we walked about 4 kilometers. It was quite a long walk, but it was really enjoyable. And we got to see some areas that we really wanted to come back to. And so, hey, we're back. So anyway, I'm going to try some fishing. I just got my my fly rod fixed up there for the proper line and everything else. Apparently I wasn't doing it right. It's a learning lesson. Brought some lunch, and we're going to bring our chairs out there and just enjoy the day. So stay tuned for the adventures, and thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed already, press like and subscribe. And this is the parking lot that we just came to.
And I'm skinnier than
All right, we're gonna get our gear together and go for our walk and enjoy.
no panning, just it's not my purse, it's just a bag.
Where is it?
I don't know, it's in there somewhere. Oh, did I leave it in the car? I'll scream if I left it in the car.
I think you did, because I'm not seeing anything.
No phones?
Nope.
Oh, Christ. I did everything and then I left them between the seats.
It's not there.
Okay.
I don't know if we can see it on the camera, but right now you can't because it's sideways, but there is a bald eagle flying above the tree line, soaring.
I can get the floaters.
Yeah, I don't know if I can see it on there. Oh, that's got to be on the video. That was a really nice close-up. Oh, nice.
Coming back for you.
I know.
You could sound hi.
I'm just trying to watch myself so I don't fall in the river.
You might have spotted
You can
me.
hear them too.
That's her. That's
Oh.
her. Yeah.
Okay, where did he go?
In the tree.
Did he land? Ah.
See if I can get him to call me back though.
So, well, we're
And I
sitting
have this
here
belt
in the
on.
water.
I didn't want to leave the belt over there.
Sitting here sitting in the water with our chairs. I don't know if you can tell or not, but the wind has picked up and it's too windy to be fly fishing, so I'm just waiting until the wind calms down, and if it does, in the meantime we're just enjoying some sun and the sights and sounds.
Okay.
I suppose it'd be a bad idea if I put the camera on us.
I don't care. Now you can put it on me.
There we go, we're enjoying the sun. We're sitting in the water in our chairs.
Gone yet? Me.
Just what?
Hmm?
River food.
Where are you? I lost you. There you are. River food.
A burrito on Vedder River.
River food.
Yep.
River food.
Mmm. That's really good.
It's
Where's it from?
what's it? Barbados in Abbotsford, South Fraser Way, and it's what's it called? It's not spicy chicken, but it's chicken. You're losing it. There you go. You were tilting on the camera.
I'm not drinking, I'm just eating.
Yeah. Very good people.
People. And can't see it, but fishing people.
Yep, there's 3 people that are fishing.
And probably a really easy way up over there instead of the way we came down. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Damn it, by the time I got turned on, it was too late.
They like the wind, they glide in it.
And I don't know if you viewers can see this, but that's an osprey flying above us. Probably knows I got my burrito.
I can't see it.
It's gone. It flew into the trees.
I didn't see it go over.
Okay, calm down. There we go. The camera just went a little bit crazy for a second there. I'm just viewing the dogs that are over there playing and having fun in the water.
I know, it's just funny.
And then, oh, those guys are gone from the fishing. Where did they go? They were just across the river here.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are right there, maybe. And then we got a couple old rubber tubers here. Life on the River is a riverboat fantasy.
That's a great song.
You like it?
I love
wondered
that.
if you were
I
going to
love
notice that.
song. I know all the words.
Do you know who sings it?
Yes. I had the album. Oh.
Uh-huh.
David stuck in my head.
Yeah, you're close. That's his first name.
I had the album.
Uh-huh. I can't remember what the album's
Life is
called.
a fantasy. Yeah, I know.
Want me to tell you?
No. No. But I know it. It's in the back part of my head. Oh, I just had it. Tip of my tongue. Don't you hate it when that happens?
Yes.
It was. It was tip of my tongue.
Very much so.
Wilcox.
Yes.
Told you don't tell me.
What was his other song that really got me into David Wilcox? He has another song.
He's got a bunch. That whole album was good.
I know. Oh, what was that song called?
I'm not gonna try on that one. There's a whole bunch. I got Riverboat Fantasy stuck in my head.
I know, because I was talking about the river and I was just carrying on. Yeah.
See, those are chairs. Those are
Yeah.
not chairs, actually. That's
They look kind of cool.
It's the kind of thing I would sit in.
Uh-huh.
Don't take my floaty away. That's my famous words. Sarah and I were
They got
always,
music going.
Sarah and I were always on the shoe swap, floating all over the place. And everyone's like, "Don't you want to go on the boat?" Nope. We're fine on it.
Yeah. Life on Vedder River. I had a little bit of Nova Scotia kick into me. I was going to say Riverside Drive.
Oh.
That's a road, and why is it turning around like that? Wow.
Well, perfect, actually, that picture. They both had their heads back. They're both tatted.
There, that's better. It was
There, look.
really moving
They're
around.
both tatted. Take a picture. Click.
And here comes some floating down the river. If you can see on the screen, a couple heads in the water, they're swimming in this river.
Too far. I don't like your phone.
I don't even know if I'm catching it on camera.
There's an eagle soaring again. The same one was before. Gorgeous.
It's fishing.
Huh?
It's fishing.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
What?
Are those more shoes?
Yeah, they're upside down.
There's shoes.
Yeah.
The same shoes.
No, there's two of them. So whoever up there lost them. Yeah, they're flip-flops and they're moving. So, I don't know if I'm catching this. Oh, I almost got that song. Da-da-da-da-da-dum. Da-dum-dum-dum. I got the beat. I can't think of the song. Damn it. I can hear the melody in my head now, but I can't think of the sound. Don't you hate when that happens? It's coming back to me. I haven't heard it since the 80s. I do not know if I've got this eagle in sight, but I am trying.
Sun's in my eyes. I can't.
Yeah, it's up around the sun too. It's going into the
Oh,
tree
it's
line
past.
over there.
Okay, I see it.
We're gonna have to get those ones at the dollar store you talked about. Yeah, we'll have to stop on the way home and get them. Hear me? When we go home, we're gonna stop and get some. Yeah, we're gonna get them because I forgot about them too when we were at the dollar store. Well, yeah, when we were at the dollar store, I was thinking I'm forgetting something. We were getting something, but what was it?
I forgot about that.
I know, so did I, but we're gonna remember this time. We're gonna stop by when we go home. Careful, don't fall in.
I don't care if I fall in. I just don't want to lose my flip-flops.
like everybody else is floating on the water.
All I had were hiking boots in my car.
Well, we got flip-flops at the apartment, so I can always get them for you.
I'd have to walk in my bare feet.
Yep.
All the way.
You'd be fine. Yeah. I noticed I was in there far enough that I got my shorts a little wet, the bottom of them. See, there's my bottom of my shorts all wet. It's nice out though, isn't it? Nice there.
It's cold,
You get used to it though.
but it's warm here.
Yeah. But I mean, the water is really nice once you get into it and stay there for a while. I had a hiccup that wouldn't stop, and I was trying to talk while I'm on camera here, and it just wouldn't stop. It's just my stupid stomach being dumb.
I was like,
No, it was just my dumb stomach. I was trying to distract it, I guess. Too many hiccups while I'm trying to talk.
And it's not deep. Whatever they call it. It's not deep. Funny.
The shadow of me in the river.
Neat. My smiley face on my foot. It's upside down right
Oh yeah, on your ankle.
now. Yeah.
Smile.
Do I have to?
No.
Okay. All right.
And some more fun going down the river here. Nice warm day. Water's beautiful. Oh, it is so nice. Yeah, I mean, the water temperature right now, it's really nice. That almost sounds like a motor on that one, isn't it?
There's two people on it.
But one of them sounds like a motor. Or am I hearing
It's an
things?
airplane going by.
Oh, it's above us.
Jesus.
Okay. That's what I thought was the motor.
That'd be an airplane.
Yeah, well, I couldn't tell where the direction was coming from. I know it was coming from that direction. And they're on a few dinghies there or something, and they're hooked together. They're hooked together and they're floating down the river. The life of Chilliwack, or the whack as they call it.
I would be doing that. Cold slap. Cold slap. Chill out.
Yep.
Get up.
This water is nice.
That's what I did all day. That.
Yeah. And that kind of shows you the current. It's not too bad, but it's there. It's not rapid. It's there.
Yeah.
Yep. And now it's calm again for weather, for wind. I don't think it's quite time yet to try. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. I just don't think I'm getting out far enough. What do you think? And hurt myself?
No.
Yeah, here comes that damn wind again. Fuck. Stupid thing.
unfortunately. It is just too windy. How disappointing. Last time we were here, it was so nice and calm. And you were roasting.
We should have sat down by the water, but we
Hmm?
didn't. We should have been down by the water, but we weren't.
Down by the water. Where? Just last time?
Yeah.
Yeah. We weren't prepared. Honestly, we didn't know it was going to be that warm. We didn't know what it was like out here. We found out. That's why we're back. Oh, that's a rubber dinghy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I don't know if those are hawks or
That's a hawk.
like said, like an osprey or something.
Yeah.
But maybe they both are.
This one here is definitely the one I've got view on.
My toes are all pruny.
Yeah, I figured my own probably are too.
Look at how white they are.
Oh, I know. And there goes the hawk.
You're burned. Stop it.
Oh, sorry.
No, just stop it.
Oh. Hey. Oh, somebody's casting off the bridge. Huh.
Yeah, we've never driven down this part. I have not. Oh my goodness, look at them all here. Oh my goodness. I don't know, but I'm going down to see. Let's go check. Yeah, sure. Let's check it out. Yes, let's check it out. Oh wow. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's a nice current right in here. Look at this. There's sunshine right here. There they are. I couldn't figure out where I heard that sound. I didn't realize they were on top of the bridge. This is nice. Damn. I could be casting into this current. I think we found our spot. What do you think? Because I could cast right into this current and let it go down. Very cool. And there's more down there.
It's all gonna go over.
Huh?
That's pretty. Oh.
It's strong. Eagle again? Did you tell? Yeah, it is an eagle.
Shit.
Oh, you got the camera right. Good.
Yeah, but I can't see it because the sun.
It's over by the island over there.
Not deep enough.
The water's not deep enough for that.
Oh yeah, it
Is it?
yeah, over here there's a big pool.
Oh.
Yeah, super deep.
Oh, this is my first time up here.
Off the low spot.
Yeah, right here would not be a good idea.
Nice. Oh, this is our first time here, so I didn't know.
Yeah, right across the way there.
Yeah.
Really deep.
Nice. You guys are having too much fun, you know. Enjoy. Stay safe.
Send me your Instagram. I'll send you a video of it. Hey, can you pass me an end?
Telling him to jump.
Apparently there's a pool over there.
It's deeper on the other side. Talk me the thing.
Very cool.
Whoops.
Let's not have an embarrassment moment here, people. Now I got a rocket in your damn center. Come on, get out of there.
No way it's gonna get to you.
Come on, get out of there. I got a damn rocket in your for sakes. definitely had a hit. I felt it that time. And it was the same as what I had earlier. That's too far away now.
See, now it's gone.
Yeah, he's too far away now.
Well, I can't get it that fast. There's no way. It's
far
like
away.
when it's here, it's too late for me to turn it on. I'm not you. Back of that beer.
That's not beer, it's water. Nice try.
On film. That's what
It's natural spring
I
water.
know. That's-
You're so bad.
I know. Funny. Suck it back. I should have said that whiskey.
Uh-huh.
You know, people were letting us take them. They might not like it. This guy's a virgin.
This guy there must be a pool over there. Because he's trying to catch some.
I wish it was beer. Or cooler.
Oh, there you go. If that's the case, I wouldn't be drinking it.
Like I said, then I have a reason for calling down. I don't have a reason. I wouldn't even drink it.
What was that noise?
Foxy, that's all.
What was that noise?
Me?
No, it almost sounded like a GoPro around somewhere or a
I
detector
heard
of
a
some
bird.
sort. Oh, maybe that's what it is.
Did you put ice in it? Oh, that thing's in it.
Yeah, that's why it's so cold.
God.
Yeah, I got those ice packs.
Oh, I should have shoved that out my leg.
Well, take them out and put them on. I let her get in the water.
Is it too late now?
Well, no, you know what, honey? Go in the water. And that'll really get it because it's colder. The ice packs aren't that
Yeah,
cold.
but that's what made me fall.
Want me to go with you? Here, put that down and I'll go with you.
Take that in there.
Why? It's waterproof.
Oh, come on.
Come on. Walking in the water.
Not to go up to my knee.
I'll stand back here some for you.
Ah, shit. It's slippery.
Uh-huh. It's called rocks and it gets a little
Well-
slippery.
It's not that. It's flip-flops. Fucking things already made me fall once. Okay. A little bit deeper. Go up to you. Oh, it hurts.
Well, you must be there because I'm almost up my knees.
Stinging.
Yeah, and it's going to. Let the water, let them absorb it, get around it. Yeah. I'm holding on to you. Bend down a little bit if you have to. See? Cooling her knees down, her legs down. We had a
no, I
little
can't
bit of
do
a
that.
tumble earlier.
That really hurts.
Yeah?
I can't
Okay.
bend it. It hurts. I
Okay,
gotta
just
go.
take your time.
Ew, it's hurting all the way down my shin now.
Yep, this cold water is going to help it.
Trying to get a foothold. Okay. A little bit of a tumble.
Oh, I was trying to be polite.
Yeah, I'm amazed I didn't break my arm. Chair caught me.
She's crazy. We all know it. But that's okay. We care a lot about her. There must be fish down there. This is.
Yeah,
There is a pool in there. You can see the pool.
that's where he's fishing.
Yeah.
See the guys up on the bridge? Don't do this at home, folks.
Or do it. Just don't tell us.
Yeah.
Don't tell your parents, that's for sure.
Yep.
Because I know their parents don't know where they are.
You hear that, folks? Is that why you didn't want me to bring the camera with us?
Yeah.
But I had to show the viewers it would say we're in the water. I mean, this is great.
Yeah.
And we're that far away from the shore. There's the water.
And if I went swimming, I'd end up way down there. Way down there.
Look at that. That's
Zoom.
cool. See that on the screen? 23% battery, so we're doing good.
Left?
Yep.
That's not a lot.
Nope. It's all good. Is that feeling better?
No. It's stinging. The cold.
Well,
makes
that's
it
because
sting.
it's injured or you got soft tissue damage from your fall, and it's helping. Look at that. There's a couch right on that board. I just noticed that. There's a couch right in the middle there, right before the train
Where?
thing. A couch. See where that guy is fishing? Look below him. There's a couch right there.
I see it. Okay. Oh, it's a nice spot.
Yeah.
Definitely don't have to pee.
Huh?
You don't have to pee because when you stand in
good
water,
thing.
you
Yeah.
have to pee more.
Well, the water wouldn't turn blue, so we'd be okay there. Like a pool, you know?
Yeah.
Are they stuck in the middle there?
They could have, bottomed out. Yeah.
Yeah, they run aground.
Yeah.
They took too wide of a turn.
Yeah.
Maybe they're trying to avoid us
Look,
standing
they're
in here.
standing in the middle.
Yeah, it's very low.
Yeah. Hey, where's that?
That's too funny.
It is funny. I bet you everybody runs aground there.
Yeah, could be. And because we're standing in the middle right now, they're trying to avoid us.
We're not really in there.
We're in the middle of this area here.
She pulled me. She sat down with her beer and rolled out the other side.
I think I got that on video. You guys are having way too much fun.
You ran aground, didn't you?
Did you run aground up there? Did you run aground?
Like you were stuck
Yeah,
on the...
bottomed out.
Right.
Cool. They look fun. Yeah, and you just go with the current.
Yeah,
It
but
really shows you the current, how the speed is.
someone drops you off and then what? Someone picks you up at the other end?
Someone picks you up at the bottom? You what? Couldn't hear you with that plane going by.
What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, smart. Park one car down there and one car up there. So you go
Oh.
back and forth. They need you cups. That's fine. They're going in again. What you got, sir?
That's cool. Fun on Vedder River,
look.
boys and girls.
They're taking it.
Hmm?
They're taking it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's numb.
Okay, you ready to head back to the shore?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna make me move first, are you?
Of course. I can fall in. I have nothing in my pockets, so.
I don't have anything in my pockets either. Go easy, go easy. I'm going along with you.
It's because my flip-flops are good.
I know. When we go home, we're gonna get those things at the dollar store. We're gonna pick them up so we have them for next time. There we go, folks. We are out of the water. Woohoo! Yeah, we were in there where the rapids are. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, friend, it's my face.
Hmm?
It's better now.
Mm-hmm.
I was standing up. Because you're sitting down and goes, like a diaper. Right?
Yep. See that bird over there? See him?
Yes.
Does that feel better now?
My leg does.
Good.
I don't know, Weiner.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
No, yet. All good. All good. I'm curious to see what that pool is like that they talked about, because apparently there's fish down there. Over on the where the boys were. You know where that guy was fishing? I'll be right back. I'll catch up to you. Aha. It is a train track here. Okay, I went as far as I can. I don't like heights. We'll get off of this bridge because I do not like heights and this is not very secure. There's no rail, just a wire. That's all mesh and railroad tracks. Yeah, I didn't realize this. Wow. It's quite the pools. Oh my goodness. And those boys were on top of this bridge. I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it. I do not like heights. I do not like that. Wow. They look very simple when you get onto it. Wow. It does not as simple as it looks. I do not like heights. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm just watching where I'm going because this is all steep and gravel and I'm wearing sandals. Yeah, if you like this video and enjoyed watching it, hit that subscribe button and click that like button to see more. But again, thanks for watching. Until next time.